Katana Shipai yada khapu jongkari India ka Border Security Force kala Plie ka Jingrakhe dap Snem jongka jingya alenti haka jing shakri na kamtakari haka ni kathan. Yakni ka Jingrakhe Snem lawan ban Plie da ulat badumburam ka jala u Vishan Mugantan kumukongsan harengkat ka jingronlang u IGBSF Meghalaya Frontier u Sudesh Kumar bad u director ka Nigrims AG Ahangar kilok ki khun jongki Shipai bagi staff jongka Nigrims. Haka ni gasngi lapan ipo iping yakni ka program da ka jingshat jingroa bet kiwe But yakni Jingrakhe dap Snem kani Katana Shipai and penkut haka sitrik ubnana opera am Snem haka jingalang kabakham kerpang.
Today is the Golden Jubilee celebration of BSF. Yesterday I met and had a long discussion with Mr. Sudesh Kumar, IPS IT. Really, he is a person with great experience. He is from Kerala cadre, originally from Punjab, and doing service here in Meghalaya. And his amount of confidence I could see. And he has explained about the border security force work in the entire Meghalaya area. He really is doing remarkable work. BSF is commendable work you are all doing. And BSF people are doing commendable work. Risking everything. You are all risking your life. By risking yourself, you are doing commendable work in the border area. Not only that, with your gun, you are fighting. At the same time, in your heart, there is a spirit of daya, karuna, love. Mr. Sudesh Kumar told me, if there is any problem for uneducated people or poor people there, immediately the army is helping. Many pregnant women, if they are to be escorted to a nearest hospital, the army is doing the help for them. Like this, so many services also BSF is doing. I salute them. The BSF is doing wonderful work. I salute them. Now I am waiting to see your wonderful cultural programs. So I am very happy to visit this center, Nigrims, and as well as the BSF Border Security Force 50th the Golden Celebration Ceremony. I am really very fortunate. I am very thankful to you all, and I will be delighted by seeing your cultural programs. Thank you for one and all.